If you suspect that your Gmail account has been compromised or you are unable to access it due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Visit the Gmail sign-in page and enter your email address. Click on Next to proceed to the password entry screen. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may be asked to answer security questions, enter a verification code sent to your recovery email or phone number, or provide other identifying information. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't to use before and confirm it. Step 5. Review account activity. After regaining access, check your account activity for any unauthorized changes. Go to security settings to review recent activity and update your recovery options to enhance security. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Gmail account and secure it against future issues.